try to guess what this next one is going to be. In the category of Best Biotechnology Product, the second winner of the 2018 Prix Galien USA is Novartis Pharmaceuticals for Kymriah.
Accepting the award, Pascal Touchon, Senior Vice President, Global Head Cell and Gene, Novartis Oncology.
Mr. Chairman, Madame la Ministre d'État, members of the committee, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure and great honor for Novartis to accept this recognition. And we have a team here that has been tremendous in achieving that journey towards approval and, more important, treating many patients around the world. Kymriah is unique in many ways. It was the first approved gene therapy in the US. It was the first CAR-T in the US, and also very importantly, it was addressing an often unrecognized field, which is rare disease in pediatric cancer. The first approval for the first indication was for pediatric acute leukemia, a disease where, unfortunately, around 20% of these kids every year do not respond to chemotherapy or relapse after treatment. And we always think about these kids and how to find solutions for them because they have their life in front of them, and this life is being impaired by this very devastating disease. So the ability to be able to offer them new solutions with Kymriah approval has been a tremendous accomplishment for all those that work there. And to be clear, treating these kids is very important, but what's also important from a scientific point of view was to approach a sophisticated but in fact simple concept, which is around how do you boost the immune system in transforming the cells of a patient, then back to the patient, so this patient with his own cells can fight against the cancer. An amazing concept, a very challenging idea to realize. So it took years of efforts and team efforts to make that a reality. And since then we have worked on new indications. We got the new approval in the US of lymphoma, and we also got approval in European Union, in Canada, in Switzerland. So we're starting to be global and give global access to this very innovative therapy. It's also a team effort. It takes years of collaborative efforts, and we'd like to give a special recognition to the scientists and physicians from University of Pennsylvania and the Children's Hospital of Philly, of Philadelphia, and including in particular Dr. Carl June, Dr. Steve Grupp, Dr. David Porter, and Dr. Bruce Levine. They made a tremendous job in daring doing this. We'd like also to thank, of course, all the clinicians, all the partners, all the employees and the team that make that possible. But this award is really for the patient, for these heroes, the hero of their own fight against cancer with their own cells that we are able to transform. These patients, their caregivers, their family have been extremely brave to accept to go into that type of transformative innovation. And we'd like to thank them tonight. Transforming their life, helping them to transform their own life is our best reward. So the award is for them. We're just humbled to be able to help them in this journey towards curing their disease. And in fact, transforming the life of patients like that is really what motivates us every day at Novartis. We're working hard for doing that, And that's so important for all of us. And when we think about patients every day, we keep on working because we cannot stop and we will not stop fighting and innovating against disease. Thank you very much for your attention.